Chapter 5. Mole Concept and Stoichiometry. Introduction. The mole concept and stoichiometry are fundamental concepts in chemistry that allow us to understand the quantitative relationships between reactants and products in chemical reactions. These concepts are essential for measuring, predicting, and controlling chemical processes. Gas laws. The gas laws explain the physical behavior of gases and help to establish a relationship among the factors that affect the properties of gases are mass, volume, pressure, and temperature. Mass of a gas is expressed in gram or kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Volume of a gas is generally expressed in liters or milliliter. SI unit of volume is cubic meters. Other units used for expressing volume are cubic centimeters and cubic decimeter. Pressure. There are various units to express pressure of a gas like 1 atm is equal to 76 centimeters, Hg is equal to 760 millimeters, Hg or 760 torr. Temperature. There are 3 different scales to measure temperature with Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin. Pressure-volume relationship or Boyle's law. Boyle's law describes the inverse relationship between the pressure and volume of a gas, while the temperature and the amount of gas are held constant. P1 and V1 represent the initial pressure and volume. P2 and V2 represent the final pressure and volume. Boyle's law states that the product of the initial pressure and volume of a gas is equal to the product of the final pressure and volume, as long as the temperature and the amount of gas are constant. Temperature-volume relationship or Charles' law. Charles' law, also known as the temperature-volume relationship, describes the direct proportional relationship between the volume and absolute temperature of a gas while keeping the pressure and the amount of gas constant. V1 and T1 represent the initial volume and absolute temperature in Kelvin. V2 and T2 represents the final volume and absolute temperature in Kelvin. Charles' law states that the ratio of the initial volume to the initial absolute temperature is equal to the ratio of the final volume to the final absolute temperature, as long as the pressure and the amount of gas are constant. The standard temperature is 273 K or 0 degrees Celsius and the standard pressure is 1 atm or 760 millimeters pressure.